I'm so excited to tell you about our Global Glamour Event. This has never been done before. It is actually global. You will be participating and interacting with women from all over the world in this event. There are 9 certified makeup artists that will be teaching you makeup tips and tricks and other little goodies. And you will get to interact with and participate from women that are coming in to learn and have fun and win prizes. I really want you to be involved. It's November 20th through the 22nd, and it will be in a private Facebook group. So we have to add you, so you will need to let me know that you want to participate, and then we have to be friends on Facebook, and then I can add you into this private group. It's going to be so fun. You can win prizes and you will learn a lot. Plus, think about listening to makeup artists from Australia and listening to their accent. It's pretty fun. I think you'll love it. Let me know if you want to participate.